Hello. Okay. Looks like my mic is working. All right, guys. About to get, about to look for a trade. Okay, I already see what I'm looking for right here. Stops above here. No, well, FTMO's not even open. Oh yeah. You know how I was like down 8%, like the past last week and the week before. Well, good news, guys. I gotta go over smart trade on Friday, which I don't think I uploaded a video. Hold on, let me see here. It's the last time I uploaded. Yeah, I don't know, but I know I didn't upload for a while. But yeah, if you can see, guys, now we're only down like let's just say 2%. It's really not 2%, but let's just say it's 2%. So let's see for this one here, I would at least target this 1 or 2. And damn, why is it all the way here, man? We do have that shift, but this isn't an order block just yet. Honestly, I could put my trade up here. Once we leave this area, I don't see price coming above this high right here. But if it does, I would get in at the high end of this. Stops just above 50% of that. But you know, that's for backup. Calculator ready. 250 divided by 155. This is just how I calculate my lot size, guys. I mean, it depends on what the Okay, I like this. I'll go to the 1 minute. Right there. Okay. So it is after 9:30. I mean, I would love to get in at 10 o'clock, and that's the better time to get in. But 9:30 until 11 is a good time. 10 to 11 is the best time. You know, good and best. Still good. And the reason why I took this trade, the week opening gap, took out buy side. Friday's afternoon session. Relative equal highs, purged. Sell side. We got a London low for today. And I'm targeting these lows right here. This low is too obvious. Well, actually, this one. What was it? This one? This one. Yeah. And normally I would wait for the 9 a.m. high and low, but as you can see, it's already 9:50, and look at how this candle is looking like. So I don't see price going all the way back up here. I mean, it could retrace, you know, and probably possibly stop me out, which, like I said, I could, you know, I already have like a contingency for that. But at the same time, I don't see it taking this out. I at least see it taking out the low first, which is this right now. Actually, no, it's this one. Once we take this out, I'm expecting like heavy bearishness to the sell side. I mean, I don't know. This week's kind of looking a little. Hold on, I gotta put a stop loss, bro. What am I doing? But yeah, this week isn't looking that pretty to me, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Monday trading isn't really. I mean, honestly, I mean, ICT says you shouldn't do it if you're new, but I do still consider myself new because you know I'm still not consistent. Even though I've been doing this for a while, I'll still consider myself new. You know, be humble. But I don't know, like Monday trading has never really been a problem for me. Like as long as the setup is there and like what I'm looking for is clear, that's all that matters to me, man. It don't matter what day it is, to be honest. Like I only not trade if it's like, you know, those red folder days. The big three folder days. Like any other red folder, I don't give a fuck about. Like I'm not worried about it. I'm worried about FOMC, CPI, and uh what is it? NFP. And in order, like from the one that you should avoid the most to the least, I'd say it's CPI, FOMC, and then NFP for me personally. See, it's teasing. Once okay, once we take this out, I'm gonna put my stops above this. I'm really hoping my audio is on so you guys can hear me. Okay, we took it out. Stops above here. I mean, no, at least above 50. Okay, that is above 50%. Okay, because there is still a possibility, but I don't. If it does, because we just took out the 9 a.m. I mean, it's still 9 o'clock actually. Then, but there is like an area this major. But I did see this move here. Like I saw that shit coming. So when I got on the charts, I think it was still in this candle. Price already tapped into it. I was like, okay, we got buy side and sell side. I would prefer price take out buy side first. Or if it takes out sell side first, I go for buy side, you know. Either way, I don't really care. It takes out whichever one first, I'll go for the I'll go after the other one. Yeah, now like this week, I don't know, man. It's not looking too good. Mainly because when I got on the charts, like the price action, I ain't like the way it was looking. So, like this, I don't like that shit. But we did take out. We already took out previous week's high actually. I was like, okay, like a retracement would be reasonable. It would be nice if we get a retracement. So at this point, looking at the weekly, I go after these highs up here. But you know, like I say all the time, the way I trade, I only go off of what's going on for that particular day. Just because I can see those highs get taken out does not mean I should be looking for a buys right now because I can see clear sells. I could be wrong, you know what I'm saying? But that's just what I see, man. Guess I know that this is the new 9 a.m. low. So I'm looking for its price. Well, it's not. It's not really 10 o'clock yet. I want to see price take out, and then once 10 o'clock hits, take out 9, and then aggressively go lower. Okay, look, higher time frames. Here we have lunch right here, lunch high. Okay, but to me, this is the priority right now. The priority. This London low, Monday's London low. I don't like the way price is moving, man. I want to see it start breaking down fast. So I'm trying to find a way. I'm trying to find a reason to justify a price wants to go up here. But if it does that, like at that point, I don't want to be in that trade anymore. In this particular setup, because there's a possibility it could go up. It could go above this. Yeah, that's fine. It took us out. Small loss. Mm. Okay. Okay. What I'm gonna look for. I'm not gonna get in right now. I want to see how it reacts to this. Once we break this again, then I'm gonna get in at whatever forms here. It's just about 10 o'clock. If you kind of look at this on, say, the 5 minute, Yeah, this is some choppy price action. I ain't gonna lie, man. I mean, yeah, this looking like a buy model too. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna be a little careful on that. But I do need to. Oh shit! Should I just include? Cause I gotta make a part two on my video for yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, on Friday. Just this. Cut this buy right here. It's a beautiful buy. I mean, at first I was looking to go lower, and then I just realized something. I was like, okay, this is ready to fly. We have this buy set right here. Clear buy set. Yeah, looking at this is definitely going after the low. But this would be once when I get in a trade, once price takes this out, stops would be to break even. Cause liquidity to liquidity at this point. I mean, I can see it more than likely going to taking these out too. But it could easily just fucking reverse, man. Okay, once we break this, I feel like it's gonna be heavy though, man. That's the thing. I feel like when we break this, I feel like it's gonna be heavy, heavy fucking bearish moves. But once we break this, whatever retracement it makes, I'm getting in. It's gonna be relative though. Like the stop loss is gonna be relative. So price taking this out is fine, bro, because we still have this area right here that can hold it down. So we also have this inversion that's playing off of in this breaker. Might not look like a breaker in a 1 minute, but in a 2 minute it is. Yeah, it is. It is a breaker now. Actually, it just closed below it. So what makes a breaker a breaker? It's a closure. A candle closure below it. It's only 10. Okay, 10 o'clock. Prime time. It's prime time to get in on trades. What is this? Oh, okay, that's the buy side. Okay. I'll be forgetting the shit I'll be putting, man. Oh, yeah, this is an old New Week opening gap. I didn't plot the ones that was made. Okay, this one right here. That's this week's New Week opening gap. Just to make sure I'm not in the trade, man. Cause okay, I'm not in the trade. Good. What's today? The 6th. Yeah, small loss. Keep it small. That's what trading's about, man. Just it's money management. As long as you have that, you set, man. You're good. That's really the most important part of trading. The psychology and the money management. Like I told you, I said I was gonna bring it back. I mean, I haven't brought it back all the way, but we're almost there. Let me show y'all. Like I was really down 8%. I didn't even realize. Okay, once we break this, that's gonna be my shift. Cause once he does that, we taking this out. Okay. I got 46 minutes. I want to see a retracement to this. Stop's gonna be the same. It's literally the same stops. Wow. Okay. I want to see that kind of close first. That'd be nice if it closes like this. This is nice. That's a nice what do you call that? Displacement. What the hell? Okay. That's what I mean. I feel like it's gonna be heavy. See, look at this. I was down 1800, brought it back up. Now we down 400. It's around 1% something. Yeah, that's what I mean, guys. Like shit. I would not be surprised when this shit just starts breaking down heavily. See, this whole thing is an order block too, man. But I want to get it up here. Hold on. Trying to think. Okay, okay. If it taps this and goes down, that'd be like picture perfect sell setup. I mean, you could get in on this, man, but like, it's just too much. At this point, it's too much. I don't like it. Considering what I'm targeting is okay. Nice. I'm gonna get in at the wick. Let me get in at the wick. Getting in at the wick is fine. Also reacting off of this here. This is a what's it's the other. There's a breaker block, right? And then there's another one. I forgot the name. Mitigation. Yeah, that's a mitigation block. We already took out 9 a.m. low. So yeah, I'm expecting a little retracement. That retracement would be nice if he goes up here. So yeah, with the whole 9 low, 9 a.m. low, 9 a.m. high. You know, if it takes one, let's say it takes out the high, you can expect a retracement. You know, it doesn't normally go after like the low, but it could. But I wouldn't be expecting that. But target's still the sell side. Okay, I'm in. I should be in. Not yet. Okay, now I am in. Oof. I gotta go to the bathroom, man. But this thing's starting to ramp. You know, it's starting to move a little quick. Okay, as soon as we take this out, bro, it should be time to go. It should be. This is some chop shit, man. I mean, I get, you guys can already see it. It's a little higher than normal, 300. Because 1% is 250. That's fine though. Target. Go to the 1 hour. What's my target? Is it this? Yes, that's the target. Okay. Let me yeah, I should look through here. Right there. Perfect. It's around 2% plus. What is it? So okay, that's like 3%. Yeah, 1 to 3. See, I really don't see 9 a.m. high getting taken out until we take out this at least. Once we take this out, I can see price possibly going back higher, taking these out. Because this is the main catalyst right here. The three, the London low. I mean, all through last week, that's what price did. Took out London low and boom, went higher. So you gotta pay close attention to that London low or high, depending on what the direction is. Reacted to that breaker. I mean, I know you guys can see that. I mean, that was my original entry to body, but since yeah, 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 the body would have been better, but I wanted to get it, so we'll see what's going on. Pretty sure there's really not much going on this week. Yeah, there really isn't. Tuesday, nothing. Oh, well, this is just at 9:15, so anything after that is fine. Yeah, that's about it. That's the only thing be going on. You be looking out for. See, like this, it's a red folder, but I'm not really not too worried about it. Okay, we tapped the order block at this point now. Since we've been tapping this area so many times, I would, once we close above 50% of this, I am closing it. Because we've been playing around this area for quite a long time now. Well, quite a long time, 1 minute standards, but it's only been like what, 30 minutes, 25. Okay, once we take this out, we should see some heaviness. We go after this, then this. Once we we're creating an order block here. Creating an order block. This is good. That's good. I can put my stop above that. Once we take this out, it would be nice if price rebalances that. Then boom, that'll make that a lot more stronger. Rebalanced it. Nice. Once it breaks down, that shit is gonna be a strong area, bro. Be a strong ass area. Hold on. Make sure you actually did close it. What's the low? This 15124.4. High of this. Yup. Okay. Nice. It's literally to the tick. That's good. We have a volume imbalance here for me. Should be taking this out soon now. Damn, that's ICT about to leave on Saturday. When does he get off Twitter? Get off the internet? I think it was the 11th, right? Yeah, so on Saturday, he got me going. I do like to look at his I like to look at his executions. Like I don't really use his like forecast as like something to also use on my like setup because I don't want to be reliant. I don't like doing that. But I like looking at his like executions to see what he does. Like those are always good. He's been real quiet on Twitter lately. You see. 100%. This London low is getting taken up. Price is doing this thing. Okay, this is good right here. Look at this. It doubled down on it. That's good. Once we take out this low, this should be a hard area to breach. Honestly, once we take this out, I'm putting my stops above here because that's sufficient enough for me. especially after I did this. I hope you guys can actually hear me though, because I don't trust this. Okay, it is moving when I'm talking. But yeah, just to show that I was trading on Friday, which was NFP, but you know it's after. You go right there, full pull, nice 2 something%. Nice, that's nice. Okay, um, stuff's above here. Yep, cut the rest down. See that? See that, guys? Come on, you know you want to go after this. I know you do. If Price only takes us out and then goes the other way, I ain't gonna lie, I'll be mad. Cause it don't make sense, man. Like really. That's why I only be mad about shit when it comes to the market when it doesn't fucking make sense to me. Like when I lose, like like I say all the time, losing is a part of the game. I don't give a fuck. I don't really care. But when it doesn't make sense to me why I lost that trade, bro, yeah, that's the one that pisses me off. Because whenever I lose, right, I already know why I lost. I can already, I already have that shit in my mind. Just like with this one, I mean, then the setup didn't lose, but if it were to lose, I already knew why. Measure the halfway of this. I don't like how that's so aggressive. I mean, we did take out a swing low, which is liquidity. We did take out liquidity, but I didn't expect it to be this aggressive. Well, I wouldn't want it to be this aggressive. I would be expecting aggressive moves like this when we take this out. Once we take that out, I'm expecting aggressive moves, like a retracement at least, or a complete reversal. It's tapping into the order block again. That could be a re-entry for some people, or the setup. That could be their setup. But I don't want to double down on it right now because I don't like the way price action is looking. I mean, honestly, man, yeah, we did take this out. Liquidity. So if I do get hit, I mean, it's cool, I guess. But it would make a lot more sense if it was this, and then going back higher and hitting me. Yeah, we took out this candle's low and this candle's low at that point. And we tapped into the okay, so that makes a lot more sense. We tapped into the order block again. But I am still looking to take this low though. I really do still believe we are going to take that out. Ooh, look at this. If and when we do take that out, like price closed in this imbalance right here. So there's a high chance we're also taking this out. Ooh, that's not good. And if I do lose, this is fine. This is a small hit. It's only on Monday to, just setting up price. I'm not gonna get out. I'm not gonna get out because my original entry was based off of this, so that's fine. Plus my stop's already above here anyway, so even if it does close at the 50%, I'm gonna just base it off of this now. If it does close above 50% on that, then It wouldn't matter. I'll be already out anyway. Let's see how this thing goes, man. So basically, if I do lose this, you guys already know why. Took out these lows for these candles and tap back into this order block. So yeah, that's why it's resisting right now. It's just giving us that resistance. We'll support, but you know, I'm speaking in like I don't know what the term is. But once we break this, if we do, should be going after this at that point. Hold on, guys. Yeah, this recording is pretty long now. So honestly, I'm gonna close this. I mean, you guys already know what I'm looking for, what I'm targeting, and where I'm at. And if I lose, I already went over why I did lose. If it does lose, so yeah, I'm gonna close this video, and then damn, I might upload the Friday one first, but yeah, I'm gonna close this. So I'll see you guys on the next video, more than likely tomorrow. All right.